Okay, you may have noticed there was a bake option. Let's explain what the bake option does in the MassFX tools. Right now, if we wanted to create a video of our simulation, we're used to rendering a video to a file, so let's go through the procedures like you've done in the past. So I'm going to use the rendering options. I'm going to tell it to render to a file. I'll select somewhere to put the file. Call this maybe a MassFX demo. And of course, like we have in the past, we'll save it as a AVI file. Alright. But now when we render it, you see the ball isn't falling. Even though we have the gravity on, so we have bounciness, the ball just isn't falling. Nothing's really happening in the video. So let's cancel that for now. And this is where the bake option comes in handy. The bake option will create the keyframes needed for the animation to work properly. So we'll click bake. Notice in your timeline at the bottom, all these little keyframes were created. And now if we render this thing, we should see the animation actually play with the ball falling and then bouncing around. Alright, so that seemed to work. So go ahead and try this and play around with some of the other variables for the MassFX options if you wish. Right now you'll notice that a lot of the options are no longer available. That's because we baked it. If you created a MassFX video and it didn't turn out the way you wanted it to and you need to make some changes, you can always unbake it, and that will remove the keyframes and make the options available to tweak as you so desire. So go ahead and play around with this a little bit and get the hang of it, and we'll see some more MassFX options in the next tutorial.